Now, for question 2, you were asked to calculate a series of probabilities. So, for the first one, what you're asked to do is to calculate the probability of R intersecting with P. So, to do that, what we do is we look for our overlap of R and P. So, if we have a look at R and P, they overlap here. So, that tells us we've got 91. 51 and 40 gives us 91 over 200. Now, for C union with P, what we're looking for is anything to do with C or P. So what we do is we have a look for that. So we've got, in C, we've got these four. In P, we've got these four. Now, it's really important that we don't double up. So we'll have 15 plus 23 plus 15 plus 51 plus 40 plus 20. So from there, what that does is that ends up giving us 164 over 200. So that's how we go about solving that. So our union, our intersection is just our overlap. Our union is all of those things, but without doubling up. Okay, let's look at C given P. So that tells us we've got that's the probability that they like country and pop, given that they like pop. So we're looking at the people who like pop first. So we're interested in these people here, and then we're also interested in the intersection there. So based on that, this ends up being the intersection of 15 and 51 gives us 66 over 200 divided by everyone who likes pop, which is 40 and 20, gives us 60, plus our other 66, 126. 126 over 200. That becomes a times, so 66 over 200 times 200 over 126. Our 200s cancel, so we end up with 66 over 126. Now that differs from the answer at the bottom of the sheet, so I'll speak to Mr. Chair about that and see what we can find. Now for our last one, or for part D rather, not our last one, we've got a couple more to go. It's after the probability of P given R. So we are looking at R. That's what we're looking at here, and we're looking at the intersection between that and P. So what we have there, we end up with the probability they like both of them is 91. I'm going to put that over 200 divided by the probability that they like rock, and it tells us in the question that 150 of them like rock, so it's 150 over 200. Once again, it comes a time, so it's 91 over 200 times 200 over 150. Our 200s cancel, so we end up with 91 over 150. So that's what we have as our probability there.